Hello, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today we'll be discussing upon a topic uh, which is UiPath enough to survive in the current job market? So, as we can see, with the Claude AI and all the other AI models and tools which have came into the market, so not just for the RPA but for each job, like there's little difficulty or little problem is there where they can get obsolete, and as the AI tools are there, so they can perform like much of the automation task and much of the RPA workflows they can handle. So in the current market scenario, like how or is it enough if you have the knowledge of the UiPath tool just alone to survive? So we'll be discussing upon these topics and we'll be touching upon the points like as how the UiPath tool can survive in this current situation. So the first slide, as we can see, the core question. So many professionals enter the workforce with UiPath skills. So again, like few years back, there was the basic skill like UiPath. If you have the knowledge of the UiPath tool, so you would get job as a developer and you can enter the job market. But as however the job market evolves, it raises the crucial inquiries: UiPath enough in today's competitive landscape? So yeah, means again, as we can see, the market has evolved quite much, and the AI capabilities and features are getting injected or getting used across all the industries, and that's the way like how the situation is. So is the UiPath tool alone or the development capabilities of it is enough to compete in today's job market? So that's the again the big question which is there. So if we look into the strength of the UiPath, so just to touch upon, like for the other viewers also who don't have much idea about the UiPath, so UiPath is again a leading RPA platform with global adoption in enterprises. So it's a tool, RPA tool, which can automate your tasks and business processes, day-to-day activities with much more efficiency and management. Exceptionally automating rule-based tasks effectively and efficiently. So again, that says great entry point for careers in automation technology, and for the automation developers and all the newcomers also. Like it was one of the best tool to start with, and yeah, it's the market leader. And again, like in the past few years, it has been the one of the top tools or top RPA platform. So yeah, so those are the strengths. And if we now discuss about the evolving job market landscape, so the current job market demands professionals with multifaceted skills in automation, shifting from traditional RPA roles to intelligent automations, integrating AI and enhancing competitiveness in the industry. So again, like it's the same point only, like where the RPA few years back was just the basic or the sequential steps where the automation used to happen, but now the role of the AI agents, intelligent automation, integrity, and all those are much needed and much required in the current job market. So what are the risks like if you rely just on the UiPath? So as we can see, solely focusing on UiPath limits your potential. With the rise of low-code platforms and the integration of AI, job opportunities may dwindle, leading to stagnation in career growth. So again, like now, because the AI capabilities have increased quite much, and the many new tools which have come into the market and are also again coming, where just the prompts and low code platforms are there which can manage and create the workflow. So if you just rely on the UiPath development capabilities, so in current scenario and the current market, it's quite a risk and quite challenging. So what are the skills to enhance your UiPath career? So what are the other skills which you can gain and which you should gain to maintain or to keep going in your RPA career with UiPath as your primary tool? So as we can see, so learn Python basics for automation, scripting, and task. So in today's market, like Python is the most required language, we can say. It's the much more needed as the basic some language you should know. So that's the one you should go for, because it's the more relevant in the AI tools and AI modules also. Understanding SQL and database for database management skills. So again, like the database, earlier we just had like limited just entering and getting the data from the UiPath. So now you should know like much more in detail and depth to manage and understand that portion as well. Familiar with the APIs and web service for integration services. So again, like API and web services, so most of the tasks and most of the tools are coming with the API features and capabilities, so that you should have good grasp over it. So those are like some of the points, or some of the features which you can again touch upon. So top automation platform to consider. So apart from UiPath, in today's market or world, you need to have like few more knowledge of like few more other automation tools as well. So the leading ones which are currently in the market are Power Automate, so which is the up and coming one. So most of the projects also you can see that are migration from UiPath to Power Automate, and it's also upcoming one because it's a Microsoft product, so it has much more good capabilities, but as compared to UiPath, it's like little not that much advanced now, but in coming time it will catch up with the UiPath. So that's another alternative tool which you should have the knowledge. Then the Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, all these other tools are there which you should look into and should have the knowledge about them as well. So key automation trends, like if we see, so intelligent document processing enhances data extraction efficiency, AI powered automations, hyper automation integrate multiple tools for comprehensive automation solutions. So all these are the latest trends which are currently going on, and the most hot skill or the hot trend we can say is the intelligent document processing, which is mostly regarding the extraction of the data from the documents, PDFs, image based documents and all that, and then using it into the system without the data entry tasks or the any human interference. So that's the most automation trends which are currently going. So recommended learning paths. So the paths, like again, master UiPath fundamentals. Firstly, you should have the good and complete understanding of the UiPath as a tool in RPA workflow. Then the learn Python for automation. So then with that you should have the knowledge of the Python programming language also, because it's again the bread and butter we can say in the RPA domain, in the automation domain. So that's the one language you should know, and it's again helpful in the AI modules and AI usage also, where you can have the hands-on experience. So and then the rest, understand API and REST APIs. So basically again, like as the new features and all the platform which are coming, they provide the API capabilities also. So instead of just the UI automation, you should have the good understanding and grasp of the APIs, so where you can automate many of the tasks using the APIs. Then the career roadmap, if we look into this part, so the beginner stage, like 0 to 6 months, first focus on mastering UiPath fundamentals and basic SQL. So those you should start with that. Then again after 6 months and onwards, you should get into the Python and APIs and understand that as well, because that's the demand currently going in the market. Then after onwards, advanced stage, you can aim to integrate understanding of intelligent automation and AI principles into your automation solutions. So there, like you can start with that. And then the again, like after that, there's a continuous learning pattern we can see. Learning pattern should be there, that you should keep on capturing and get understanding the new features and skills which are coming into the market, so you can be the top 10% at least, which is like ahead of the others and always on the front, leading with the new technologies and features. So that's how, like again, the career roadmap you can follow. So traits of successful UiPath professional, if we say, so professional who succeed with UiPath continuous upskills, build real world projects and understand business process, a growth mindset, adaptability to adjacent technologies are crucial for long term success in automation career. So again, like just catching up with the latest trends and latest features, tools and technologies which are coming in the RPO domain. So just limiting to the UiPath is not the way to go in the current market trend and scenarios. you should have the knowledge of the all the other tools also, and all the latest features and trends which are going in the market. So that will make you a complete package for the as a RPA professional. And the future beyond UiPath, again, like you have to get into the other AI skills and integration skills will unlock more robust career opportunities in automation. So not just if you're limited to the UiPath, so that's a sort of a dead end road, we can say, in the current market scenario. So yeah, so those are all the latest points like which we shared with you. So for any more details or queries or questions, please do let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to help you guys with the latest information or any other information which will be requested by you guys. So thank you, and please do like and subscribe our video and connect with us, and thank you for now.